How do you know that you've had a hard workout? I use a sweat test.
Insurance on something, I don't.
GoPro, stop recording. Have you ever wondered how to train for a mountain ultra marathon? Well, buckle up and saddle up, cowboys and cowgirls, because it's about to get real. Sweat's just dripping off, only 25 miles in. 25 minutes in, 814 vertical feet, half a mile distance. Cranking along, baby. Just hit 1,000 feet of climb. Just over half an hour in. 1 mile in, 45 minutes, 1,400 feet again. So, yeah, 1 hour in. Got a quick break to refill the nutrition. Oh my goodness. Got my Octane here. Give me the calories that I need. Got the electrolytes. And then this is my Generation UCAN that I use to have electrolytes in the second water flask here. That way I'm getting about 650 milligrams of sodium per liter and at least 200 calories an hour. The important thing I've learned about training is, especially with ultras, you know, you'd think it'd just be about training your running. And if you show up to the start line and all you're doing is run, you are in for a train wreck. When you get about 12 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours in, when you realize you haven't trained your gut to continuously take in the fluids and the calories that you need for 12, 24, 36, 40 plus hours. You've got to train with your pack, the weight, whatever you're gonna be packing, you got to pack that sucker. You're gonna find things that are chafing. If you never run with a pack, if you don't ever run with water, if you don't ever hydrate, you've got to train every aspect of your running, not just the run itself. Running is almost an afterthought to all of the other things, because if everything else falls off, you're not gonna be running worth squat. Yeehaw, cowboys and cowgirls. Cowboy up. So, just hit 2,160 feet. Almost a mile and a half in. Calves are feeling that burn a little bit. GoPro, stop recording. So, 2 miles in, just under an hour and a half, 2,800 feet of climb, baby. Time to hit pause on the run. Crapped out on me, but I got the data saved. I had over 4,100 feet of climb that first half. So 2 hours in, gonna stock up on water and fuel again and get back out there. So time to get in a little bit of solids here. Almost 2.5 hours in. Got over 1,000 feet of climb since I started back up. I had to restart the treadmill, so I've got probably close to 5,200 feet total of elevation gain this run. My goal is to try and hit 8,000, and so far this hour I've been crushing it. 2,300 feet of climb, third hour in. Only one more to go. Whew. About not quite 15 minutes into the last hour's run, and I'm just needing some calories, so I'm gonna grab some goo real quick. Hour and a half in, 3,400 feet of climb. Only half an hour left. Man, legs, my glutes are starting to feel it. So after a goo and a peanut butter Nutella sandwich, I feel like I can go another 4,000 feet. Last 5 minutes, gonna run it out. Last minute, last 30 seconds, putting it 40% grade. Time cowboy up. seconds. Oh, Nelly. 4 hours, about 8,800 feet again. And that is how I train for a mountain ultra. Got another long run down in the books. It's only a few weeks until the Run Rabbit Run. Again, when you're training for an ultra, it's not just training the legs. You gotta train the mind, gotta train the gut, gotta do everything you're gonna do on race day and get it tested out so you know what works and what doesn't. As 12 hours in is a really bad time to find out that you're eating the wrong things or doing too much or didn't get enough or didn't get any electrolytes in. That's really important. You've got to get sodium in. If you're sweating and losing salt and just replace it with water, you're gonna cramp up and be in for a world of hurt.
So after climbing almost 9,000 feet on a treadmill run for 4 hours, how could you possibly top that before your mountain ultra? How about a Pikes Peak double ascent?